Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be reviewing the FlexiSpot Esben standing desk UD4W today. I've had this desk for exactly 22 days, let's say 3 weeks. I want to say a special thank you to FlexiSpot for sending this desk to me. The maximum height is 49.2 inches. We are at the maximum height. Let's go to the minimum height. You can see we're going, and the minimum height is 29.5 inches. The good thing about this desk as well is that it has this memory preset buttons there. Let's say if 2 people want to use it, you can have 1 and 2 for the first person, meaning 1 could be like set permanently to the low range where the person want to sit down, and 1 can be set into the standing position, and then for the other person, 3 and 4. How this works is that let's say you find a height that you are just absolutely comfortable with, it's just the best height. You just have to just once you lift it to that height, all you got to do is, if you're using the 1 button, you want to have your preset as 1, then you just click on 1, and then you're going to hear the sound, the beep. Once you hear the beep, that means it's set. So assuming, okay, we have the beep on 35.5 inches. Assuming I decide maybe to take this desk to another random height, and then I'm like, well, I want my favorite height. All I just need to do is to press 1, and then it automatically does the magic, which is so amazing. I hate having a cluttered space. I dislike it so much. So this desk is the best thing, because I'm able to tuck in all my mess neatly in these drawers. I have my A4 paper that I usually work with, my everyday to-do list, planner, glasses, cleaner, tape, huge guy got into this space. All neatly tucked in. Nice. And you can see my workspace. I usually work here most of the time, except when I'm just not in the mood. I just want to stay in my couch anyway. But if I'm editing my YouTube video and all that stuff, I usually like to stand. The standing position is my favorite, because sitting all the time is not good for my back. So I would just stay like this and walk. If I want to edit my video, just go down, get my editing tool, and that applies to working from home. Usually my work these days is so flexible that I can work from home. Another cool part of this desk is it has built-in USB ports. It has the Type-C, the Type-A, so you can basically charge your phones while working, or your headset or anything there. You can actually do that. What is it that I do not like about the desk? It's just the color. I wish it was like a pure white. So I'm hoping maybe in the next batch or whatever, they should try and make provision for multiple colors. I think right now they just have this white and I don't know this color. I want kind of like a just pure white or maybe pure black, you know, if people that want pure black, you know, pure white and stuff. Personally, I would prefer like a pure white desk to match the color theme of my apartment. If you like this desk and you want to have one for yourself, exactly this UD4W, go to my description box below. The link to the desk is there. And do not forget to use the promo code on my screen, UD50, to get the $50 discount off your purchase, okay? It's a nice desk, so I recommend you get one if you have need for it, okay?